It's so cute.
Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
Hey y'all, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Janet P, aka JP. If you're returning, welcome back, bestie. As you can see by the title today, we're gonna be unboxing my baby. This is the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. I bought some accessories to go with it. I got a SD card reader, a microphone. I got it from Amazon, and then I got the case that I'm gonna put on it. So let's get straight into. So it comes with a protective cover and a wrist strap. I didn't know. Anyways, okay, let's go ahead and open her up. Use my little piece of nubs to open. Oh, it's getting real, y'all. We got a camera. Hold up. I specifically waited to open this camera until my case came because I didn't know it. I didn't even know it came with a case, but I was like, I'm about to open it and it doesn't have a case. Y'all, it's getting real. I don't know what all this stuff is in here. It's so cute. Wait. I don't know how to turn it on. Rotate. It says rotate screen to power on. So let's see. Is it dead? Oh no, it's on. Look, y'all. I'm gonna have to connect this to my phone. Let me go ahead and do that actually. Excuse the sound my phone's about to make. It's something wrong with my camera, y'all. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that? Downloading the app, the DJI Memo. Y'all look. It's me. Y'all see me. Hey, Bookie. I put the SD card in here. Where does it go? Oh, it literally moves with you. That is so freaking cool. Turn it off. I think so. You turn it off. Bye bye. Y'all, that's so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. I don't know where the SD reader goes. I'm gonna have to ask my baby. Where do I put the SD reader? Because I don't know. So let's go ahead and get the case on. Got pink because, you know, pink is a girl's best friend. Oh wait, I think it goes like that. And all these items will be linked down below. I'll put this up here. How do I put this up here? Let me go ahead and put this on the front of the... This is so cute. Look. I need this because I'm good for dropping something, unfortunately. I'm gonna lie, I'm very confused because how is it supposed to get through here? And why is this part on the bottom? I think they made this backwards. Or they sent me the wrong one. Something like that, because it's not gonna just go in like that without it being upside down. Do y'all see what I'm saying? So I have to go... Let me see, because I really think they sent me either the wrong one. Looked up the DJI Pocket 3. So you see how it is? It's like, how is that? It's gonna have to fit through the top, but why would the handle, you know? So they put it, y'all see what I'm saying? Because it doesn't make sense. Not at all. Or does this top piece come off? No, it doesn't. So let's just try to put it through here and see how far we get, because I'm not sure what they did, but I think they messed up. I don't think it's got nothing to do with me. It's all their fault. Oopsies. This better not mess my camera up. I promise to you, I'ma sue them. I don't even play like that. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go, y'all. Okay, there we go, y'all. There we go. We ain't gotta sue nobody. Y'all see? Oh my god, it's so cute. And then you put the case on like that. I'm so excited, can y'all tell? And then we got the SD card and the SD reader. I don't know how to put this in. I don't know how to do all that. So I'm going to ask my baby to help me. She's more tech savvy when it comes to stuff like this. And then also with the side, this the DJI box. It comes with, I think this is the charger, or is it a case? Oh no, this is a, I don't know what this is actually. Hold on. This is, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I don't know what this is. Is it the charger? I don't know what this is. Somebody let me know. If you have the DJI Pocket 3, let me know what this is, because I have no idea. I'm new to the camera world. I'm recording off my iPad, and I usually record off my phone. That's my baby back there. Y'all can't, that's my baby back there. He's so handsome. It's not coming out. What the hell? Then we got the charger for it. Got the waist, not the waist thing. I was about to say waist bead. The wristlet that you put on your wrist, like, you know, carry it around and stuff. We're probably gonna turn it back on to see what we can, you know, adjust. And then it comes with manuals and stickers. Cute little stickers. I gotta look and see what these stickers are. Okay. Okay, thank you, DJI. I like them. We're gonna have to read this manual too, because Lord knows I don't know what I'm doing over here. Must have for DJI users. Okay, we gotta download this thing because it's for warranty benefits. So let me go ahead and do that now, because sorry y'all gonna hear the sound of my phone. I told you something wrong with my phone. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what I'm doing once again, but it got a whole bunch of stuff on here. I'm gonna have to play with the app to understand it. And this, I might just watch a YouTube, yeah, YouTube or TikTok video, because personally, if I ain't gotta read all that, somebody can sum up what I need to do in 30 seconds, a minute, I'm gonna watch that 30 seconds in a minute. Yes, my attention span is pretty short. So let's go ahead and play with it some more. Yeah, I need to wipe it off. This is so cute. I'm so in love. So we're gonna turn it on. Hey y'all, so I'm just playing around with it. It's so cute. I just look so pale right now. Like, I look very pale. So I had to play around with it, but I don't know how to put the SD card in there. So somebody please, actually I'm gonna go watch a TikTok. Let's go see. They were saying how like you can press this button right here to turn it off. So just hold it down and it turns off. And I'm gonna flip it back. We're gonna put all this stuff back on because I refuse to get my baby messy. So does the SD card go right here? Or is that the charger? I think the charger is right here. I think the SD card goes right there. So let's go ahead and put the SD card in. And this is the SD card, right? So this is the SD card. Then what is this? See, I'm telling you, I ain't tech savvy worth the. Dang, I had to show how weak I am on the camera. Don't embarrass me like that, no. Let me get some scissors. Hold up, y'all. Is 32 gigabytes a lot? I'm gonna find out. Peel the back. I'm over here doing the most. Oops. Okay, so when I put SD card in, I need gloves or something. Like, if I get a fingerprint on it, is something gonna happen? And how do I know how to insert it? Oh, Lord. This is... How do I insert this? Let me see. Is that how I do it? I don't think that's how I do it because it's not going in. It's not going in. Upside down? I need to turn it on? What the world? As y'all can see, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And okay, I'll activate it when I get this daggone thing in. How do I don't even put my own in when I was getting it. You know, when we first got our iPhone, I let the people I was whoever I was with do all that. How the heck do I put it in? Some mics. And I don't know why the picture look like this could up. Let me just show y'all. Before I go on a rant about it. Let me check too, because I haven't opened other stuff as you can see. Excuse me. They sent me the wrong one. Oh, no, they didn't. I was about to say if I go off. So I ordered some mics. Once again, I don't know how to use mics. I don't know how to use none of this stuff. And we gonna find out, I guess. But it comes with the little chinchilla balls. I'll take this off. Oh, duh, Janet. It comes with a little chinchilla ball. Little fur ball. But why is nothing working for me, y'all? How the heck do you put this on? The hole's right there. But it's like a little hard to get on. Right there? Oh, there it is. So we're gonna put it like right here as if we're doing it like, or hey y'all, what's happening, twin? I love this. But yes, y'all, that's everything. I'm gonna have to play around with the DJI because as y'all can see, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm trying. I am trying. I say that. I'm definitely trying. I just don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna get some help from my girlfriend because, like I said, she's more tech savvy than me. I don't know how to do all this camera mess. I'm new to the camera. I'm just used to the good old iPad and iPhone. But we upgrading. You know, we gotta upgrade our content. I feel like it's time. So yes, y'all, that's all my goodies. Once again, everything will be linked down in the description if you want to purchase the camera, whether you just want to purchase the case, whether you want to purchase the microphone, or you want to purchase the adapter. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this out to a friend, because your friend gonna need help too. I promise. Us girls, we don't really know much about cameras. Well, I don't know much about cameras. I don't know about y'all. I don't know much about cameras. We're gonna learn together. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 600 subscribers. They were at 588, 587, something like that. So let's go ahead, run that up to 6, and we're gonna run it up to 7, and then 8, and then 9, and 1,000. 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. I was gonna do it for 500, but no, I'm gonna do it big. I'm gonna go big or go home. I ain't going home, I'm going big. So make sure y'all subscribe, and when it's time for that giveaway, when we get 1,000 subscribers, just know it's gonna be a good one. It ain't gonna be one to forget, it's gonna be one to remember. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure you watch this in the highest quality. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know, go ahead and drop down my lovely orange hearts. And bye, besties.